Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to detect the location of the pointer in Windows 10. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially if you have multiple monitors or struggle to locate your mouse cursor on the screen. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. In the search bar, type Control Panel, and click on the Control Panel app. Step 3. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on the Mouse option. This will open the Mouse Properties window. Step 4. In the Mouse Properties window, click on the Pointer Options tab, located at the top of the window. This tab contains various options related to the mouse pointer. Step 5. Under the Visibility section, you'll find an option labeled Show Location of Pointer when I press CTRL key. Check the box next to this option to enable it. Step 6. Now, whenever you press the CTRL key on your keyboard, the location of the pointer will be shown on the screen. This can help you quickly locate your mouse cursor, especially in situations where it might be difficult to spot. By enabling this feature, you can easily keep track of your mouse cursor's location and improve your overall productivity. Feel free to experiment with other options in the Mouse Properties window to further customize your mouse settings. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.